Okay, now we are doing the chain with some words on. So first we need a string. Actually it's fishing wire. So I have to do it as a double. Okay, do it double. And then we have a ring here. Here. Okay, just go through it. Okay, after you go through it, then just pass this ring and then to over here to make it tight first. Okay, and then for this one, then we can just put the band in. Okay, so now
where's the ring? So you knotted the ring?
Yeah. Okay, so we want to put the word faith. So whatever the word you preset it. Okay, so then there's a small hole and you put the wire go through. Okay, because it's a double wire, so we have to go through by the other one as well. Okay, just do the same thing for all the bean that you already set. Okay. So something like that. So you just do all the thing like to chain up together. Oh, maybe I better to cut it shorter. Okay, to make sure it's easier. F-A. So then you can ask the students just grab the letter they needed. Okay. So then we can tie to another ring. But this one is like, because you have two wire, okay, you better to, one is go through. And the other one is not. And then after that, okay, so then you tied it. Okay, then you can make extra knots. Then as a safety, then the thing won't come out. sometimes it's hard because it's too thin for the wire. Okay. Yeah, double knotted then will be much safer. Okay. So then you just cut out the extra wire then. Okay, and then we have this is faith. Okay, faith here. So then we have the heart here or whatever that's as the end. Okay, we have to open a little bit. To tie it back and close it. Okay. So then the last we can use where's the black? The top part.
Okay.
No, the one, this one. I should take it out first. Okay. So then we have this is a hook here. So and then I just hook it back. So then it's done. Okay.
Ta-da!